You may recognize these bottles. They're shower gel bottles. No more shower gel for me. Homemade here on out. First, I start with a pound of African black soap. Chop the African black soap up into little pieces and put it in a big bowl. Add 11 cups of water. Today I'm using my beauty water from my Kangen water machine. Add the water to your black soap that you chopped up in little small pieces, and then let the water sit on the counter. You can let it sit overnight, or you can let it sit for about 6 to 8 hours until the African black soap melts. It will dissolve completely. While you're doing that, in a separate bowl, you take 1 cup of honey, 1/3 cup of olive oil, and 1 teaspoon of this gum stuff. I'm still trying to figure out. This is the thickening agent. Take that, add all those 3 ingredients together in a separate bowl, and then stir it. Whisk it nicely. Whisk it nicely. You're mixing them up together completely. Go back to your mixture of African black soap that has dissolved completely and strain all of the extra things, like sometimes it has rocks or little pieces in the soap. Take a nice fine strainer and strain all the soap. And then take the mixture where you added the 3 ingredients in a separate bowl and add it to your African black soap along with your preservative. Now you are mixing with a handheld mixer your African black soap mixture until it gets nice and thick and nice and creamy. And at this point, you can add your essential oils, 30 to 50 drops of any essential oil. Today I'm using lavender and eucalyptus. Whisk it for about 3 to 5 minutes until it's completely mixed. And now you're going to need a funnel to pour it into the desired size bottle that you will be putting it in. For me today, I'm using a 16-ounce bottle, and I'm adding the complete mixture and filling the bottle up to the top. Now we're going to test it out. Alrighty now. Look at that. Look how sudsy it is. And oh, it just feels so silky and moisturizing. My husband and I are having fun trying it out. It's really nice. It feels so silky on the skin. Look at that. Did a great job. Not bad for our first try. This soap is good for eczema, psoriasis, really dry skin, problem skin. Not bad for our first try. Good job.